it's working. Hey guys. Hey guys. Okay, so we're gonna go down these epic water slides, and I mean epic. So let's go. There's a lot of stairs that you have to get up though. So yeah, let's go up these stairs. So we're like over here. It's really dark in here, but over here we have to keep going up these. Not slides. Stairs. Okay, so we are going to go. We have to keep going up, and there's going to be 2 slides. We're going to either go down a tube one or a really big one that's like, it's not a tube one, but it's really cool. So I'm going to go down both of these slides today. So there will be a separate video. So I'm going to go down the big one. Okay, so I'm going to go down the big one, guys. Here we go. Here we go, guys. So, looks like this one. We're about to go down. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Let's go! Woo! Oh, this is fun. Oh my gosh, it's so quick. I love water slides because they're just so calm. And like, you're gonna sit here. You can scream if you want to. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go! Woo! That was really fun. Okay. That was really fun, guys. I'm gonna go down the other one. We're about to go down the other side. There's 2 slides up there, and we're gonna go down the other one. The other one is the tube one that I was talking about. The tube one, it's like, well, it opens up like halfway down. It like opens up, and then it turns into a tube again. Then it opens up, and you get dropped off, like how you get like dropped down at the very end. You're just like, go, 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 go. And I was like, here we go, splash. You probably couldn't even see it very good. But it's like drops you off at a certain point. So I'm going down my stairs again.
Wow. That's high up.
Okay, so we're about to go almost to the top.
Whoa.
Here we go.
We're in the Eiffel Tower. Huh? We're in the tower. Oh. Wow. Are you going?
Yeah. Here we go. Can I go down? It opens up from the tube. Okay, so it's about to, I don't think it's going to turn into a tube again after this. This is really fun. Look at this. That was fun. I want to do that again, guys, but take a video. Okay, so bye guys.